Alright, viewers, here we have this Weather Beater outdoor ceiling fan. New in box. Oh, the light just kicked on more. Made by Automair, Airmaster. There it is hanging. It had a weatherproof box, which obviously you can see at the top of the blades over there. Attached to the cord, took it off just because I'm not using it outside anywhere. There's a rubber grommet above the canopy, and the top canopy has holes in it. So it was apparently made for outdoors. Usually you'll see these in videos and stuff with the canopy's yellow. Since this one's new in box, the canopies are still in their like off whitish tone. I'm going to start it off on low. This is on the Dayton 3 amp variable speed control. I got the bearings were stiff, obviously a new fan box. But they are freeing up. I put some WD-40 in there and let it run. It did come with a control. I don't know if you can see it's right on top of those blades. It's a cardboard box control, a faceplate. So, came with the J-hook and mounting hardware and stuff like that. And it came with instructions, which are in the box. They are in the box. Excuse me for a second. Alrighty. There's our instructions, our lovely warranty card, which basically does nothing for me. The instructions are a little beat up. They are there. Pages. Alright, so back to the fan. There is on low. Let's go ahead and turn it quarter turn. Should be like a medium low. I won this fan off of eBay. There actually is another one on eBay right now. I may try winning it, I may not. I might just stick with having one. It's kind of cool. Go ahead and go into the quarter turn. Only thing I noticed is a little bit of damage to the motor housing on the side. Is a little cracked. But nothing that's a big deal. Medium high. Very off a good amount of breathe actually. Let's go ahead and go straight high. Now she may not be the fastest fan. She relies more on pitch, it seems. Boy, does she actually do some good air. She's definitely gotten faster since I first got her. I may check the capacitor to see if that's failed. I'm sure it's probably just bearings. Once again, the bearings were very stiff when I got it. So I guess needs some TLC needs to run for a little bit, I think. Should run good. Go ahead and do spin down. I believe this fan came from Alabama. I'm trying to remember where it shipped from. It's a little too dark. Too much light. Okay. So it's very cool to find one of these, especially with the non-yellowed canopies. I mean, eventually they will yellow, I'm sure, especially in sunlight. This fan's probably going to go back in its box. You'll see it spin down still pretty fast on this one right now. Just because it was fast, it goes straight to high. Thanks for watching.